What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the driveway. Well, you can see in the background here, we got the old service truck. So what are we doing today? I mean, you've seen the title of the video. We're trying something new, and let's take a look. We got to unbox it. Take a look at it. All right, guys. So I got hit up by the guys over at revauto, and they offered us a deal. So check it out. So I wanted to start out with something small. We'll go to the regular car wash stuff here eventually, but I wanted to start out with this stuff. This right here is their Uber Shine tire shine, but it's also perfect for vinyl, rubber, and plastics. Now, why wouldn't I just start with the truck, right? You know, the second gen. Well, if you take a look, it would be cheating for me to put this on here and show you guys the product. So I would much rather do it on something more or less like this right. So look at it. Tires, well, they're dirty, you know, work truck. Mirrors, they're dirty. So I thought we'd try it on the service truck, because again, this is going to be the real test here. So let's go ahead and give it a swing, and I'll show you guys the results. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to try it on this mirror right here. You know, just spray it liberally, you know, get a microfiber, and let's see what happens. Again, this is all real time. Look at that. It's got a nice little shine to it. Oh, I can get down with that. All right, next, let's try it on the fender flare. She's a little dirty, but gotta try it out. You know, spray liberally. And let's just wipe all the sadness away. And this is real time, guys. Probably should have washed this first, but hey. You gotta test stuff. Can't do it that way. Look at that. Granted, I missed a whole lot of spots, but take a look at that. And being I'm not going to destroy an applicator, tire applicator for my dirty ass truck wheels here and tires, I'm just going to spray it and microfiber it. You know, spray liberally. That's how you got to do things. Ooh, it's blue. Take that microfiber, work it in there. All right, if you guys can see there, I should have, again, washed the truck first, but I mean, it took the dirt off, left a pretty good shine, and then actually cleaned up the Alcoas really nice too, if you can look at it right there. Don't mind that Ford logo. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's a nice flat shine, nothing over the top. You can touch it, and it's not like oily feeling like a lot of the other spray-ons types. I like this setup. All right, so we've seen so far it can do mirrors, it can do fender flares, and of course it can do tires, and apparently Alcoa wheels. Go figure. But let's see if it can do this. All right, so we got the steps here. They're looking pretty bad. Need a little shine, don't you think? Let's give it a shot. All right, let's go ahead and spray it out. That blue though. And we're going to use the same junky microfiber towel. And again, real time. Not trying to surprise you guys with anything here. And by the way, it's Saturday. I'm not putting a whole lot of effort into this deal because again, it's the work truck, and I know Monday morning this thing's going to look like crap again. So I'm not sitting here scrubbing my ass off or anything like that. And that's your finished product right there. Boom. Again, I missed a lot of spots as far as on the bottom side, but for the most part, gives a real good shine. And again, you're not going to slip off this crap. I mean, it's not oily. It's not like the gel stuff. This is just water-based, but it does a good job. Leave your comments below, guys. What do you think? All right, guys, so that's my review of the revauto tire shine, their Uber Shine. So again, leave me a comment down below what you guys think. Discount code and everything will be in the description, as well as a link to the product. And do what you guys always do: like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world, and I'll see you guys in the next video.